In fact, she's one of my coaches. So Cheryl Beth, you can take it from here.
So we're going to spend about 20 minutes digging into the assessment. And then we're going to divide the rest of the morning into those 4 decisions: people, strategy, execution, cash. All right, so let's talk about one of my favorite subjects, people. If I went to everybody in the organization and said, what's expected of you, they'd be able to tell me. They don't necessarily have to have a key performance indicator, but they have to know how they're winning. How do you know whether or not your strategy is solid? Revenue, what kind of revenue? Consistent gross profit. Thank you. Now we're going to dig into cash and execution. And so one of the most important pieces about good execution is knowing where you are, having clear priorities, 2 or 3, knowing when you're going to get it done by, right? That's why I keep saying who, what, and when. And then the third piece is having some type of speed bump. So you're actually spending the time looking, how did we do? Because again, cash is like oxygen. So we start off with the question that's on the assessment. Do you have cash reserve of 2 to 3 months? By the way, if you are in a cyclical industry, it's more like 6 months. Are you able to predict your cash flow? And again, getting back to, are you in a cyclical industry? And therefore you're going to have a little bit of extra cushion, or you're going to have to do what PPR Note did, which is they diversified.